Power Automate is a great solution for process automation. In combination with Dynamics 365, you can not only interact with data, but also include business logic within a flow. In this example, I'm using Power Automate and the Dynamics 365 connector in order to approve a new bill of materials from within Teams. Now let's have a look how this works. I have here a flow. The flow is triggered from a business event when a new bill of material is created. And when a bill of material is created, I'm triggering here the approval task. It is assigned to me and I get a link to approve it. And depending on my decision, if the outcome of the approval process is approved, I'm calling the action bill of materials approve within Dynamics 365 based on my personal number. Let's have a look how this works. In Dynamics 365, I'm switching to the module Product Information Management. From within here to the released products. To this first product here, and from engineer to the BOM tab, and here I'm creating a new bill of material and call it BOM test. And give it here one line for the bill of materials. And save it. Now what happens is a business event is triggered to Power Automate, and Power Automate has a filter on this trigger in order to react only on events coming from this bill of materials table. This takes a moment for Power Automate to start. And then we'll see here the new approval request. Here it is. The approval comes directly into Teams and it is asking me to approve the new BOM test. Here is the link from Dynamics 365, so we can have a look directly at the newly created bill of material here. And now we can see here it is not approved right now. And from within Teams, I'm going to approve this new bill of materials for this release product. And what happens in the background is that this approval process is now triggered from Flow to Dynamics 365. And when we go back here to the bills of materials in Dynamics 365, and refresh, you see this approval here has been set to yes, and this is the ID of my employee ID here in Dynamics 365. In Power Automate, we can have a look at the run. And we can see here the business event came in here from the bills of materials. This approval has been triggered. It has been approved by me, and therefore this action has been called to Dynamics 365.